staan ons nou onder hemelblou. Dis die mooiste dag vir 'n vrou. Ek groet jou pa en ek gee jou hand. Hierdie ring sal ek nou dra. As die storm som ons voet tot die dood ons skei, sal ek altyd by jou staan. Dis net ek en jy. Ek beloof jou, as die storm som ons voet, sal ek altyd by jou bly. Ek beloof jou, tot die dood ons skei, sal ek altyd by jou staan. Dis net ek en jy. Hier staan ons nou en ek's lief vir jou. Jy's die mooiste vrou vir my. Jy antwoord ja wanneer ek jou vra. Sal jy my ring vir altyd dra?
Marcel, for you. Do you, Marcel, solemnly declare that you know not of any lawful impediment why you may not be joined together in holy matrimony to Felicia on your side, and call all present witness that you take her to be a lawful wedded wife?
No.
Felicia, do you, Felicia, solemnly declare that you know not of any lawful impediment why you may not be joined together in holy matrimony to Marcel here on your right hand side, and call all witness here to witness that you take him to be your lawful wedded husband? Felicia, to Marcel, I take you to be my best friend, my faithful partner, and my one true love. I promise to encourage you and inspire you, and to love you truly through good times and bad. I will forever be there to laugh with you, to lift you up when you are down, and to love you unconditionally through all of our adventures in life together. That is powerful words. Not many women will say, I will inspire you so that you can achieve. And then they achieve automatically. Marcel just said, thanks for marrying me.
Short and sweet.
You and I, we have had a well-deserved and extended trial before today. Many memories, more good than bad. Today we celebrate for our next paragraph, page, chapter, or even a new book about our lives. Today, a special day, we unite with God's will, something that both of us have wanted for so long. I promise to cherish, the word cherish means love, okay? All His blessings, starting with you as His greatest one. So He's saying you are His greatest blessings from the one God. Yet I give you my all. Please take care of it as before. Well done, Marcel.
Hier staan ons nou onder hemelblou. Dis die mooiste dag vir 'n vrou. Ek groet jou pa en ek gee jou hand. Hierdie ring sal ek nou dra. As die storm som ons voete tot die dood ons skei, sal ek altyd by jou staan. dis net ek en jy. Ek beloof jou, as die storms om ons woed, sal ek altyd by jou bly. Ek beloof jou, tot die dood ons skei, sal ek altyd by jou staan. Dis net ek en jy. As die storms om ons woed, tot die dood ons skei, sal ek altyd by jou staan. Dis net ek en jy. Ek beloof jou, as die storms om ons woed, sal ek altyd by jou bly. Ek beloof jou, tot die dood ons skei, sal ek altyd by jou staan. Dis net ek en jy.